Hey guys, in this quick video I'm going to talk about the Maven trading and what are the important things that you have to be aware of and also the rules. So you're gonna have a like the account size, let's go for like 50k, and you have options to choose between like the account types. You can have like standard, instant or mini, and you have like different here things that you have to be kind of like aware of. And if you want, I can like dive deeper to each of these, but let's go with that. You would go with the standard where you're gonna have the challenges. So on each you're gonna have the profit target, the trading breakdown, also the daily drawdown like 3%, 4%, 2%, also the overall drawdown is like max, static, and you're gonna have the daily drawdown type, and minimum profit split is 80%, right? And you can have it on the same. And payout frequency, you're gonna have like 10 business days, minimum profitable days here like 3, and payout frequency here is 10 business days, and minimum trading days is like 0 here. So when we're gonna go further, what you have to kind of like be aware of is that the risk management and prohibited behaviors is that you don't have any expert advisors or automated trading. That means that you can using EAs will disqualify you from passing the challenge. Also prohibited trading practices, so excessive scalping, high frequency trading, arbitrage, toxic order flow, marginal strategies, or trade copying. That's something that like you can do, or like going all in, for example. News trading restrictions, this is another thing that you have also prohibited. So trades opened or closed within 2 minutes before or after high impact news release are disallowed. So just like avoid trading like 2 minutes after those news. And then also like remaining the IP address needs to be same too. So that's something that you also have to be aware of. Now then you can have also the scaling, payouts, and account growth conditions. So profit split after funding, at least 80% for the trader. You don't have no minimum number of trading days. And for mini challenge, once target is met, I want to show you right here. Payout can be requested and processed within 24 hours. Like Maven, even the site, like everything, it just like looks good. So then we're gonna go further, what to double check. And also there can be like white spreads or commission fees, lack of transparency about liquidity source, spread origin, exact fee structure. And if you rely on automated tools, like the Maven is not going to be for you. So thank you very much for watching. Hope this video provided a little bit of value, and have a great day and goodbye.